I've been asked many times, what exactly is Tantra Yoga? And specifically, what has it done for me? I can tell you truly that for myself, when I discovered the path of Tantra Yoga about 20 years ago, it was an incredible discovery. I admit that in the beginning I didn't really know what it was all about, but as I started to practice and later on became a teacher, I realized that this is a very amazing path of yoga. It's a path of yoga that for me personally totally transformed my life, and I was very thankful that I discovered this incredible path of yoga, which holds within it so many secrets and has the possibility to propel you so further forwards on your spiritual path. For me, it exactly did that, and I can definitely say that everything I've achieved spiritually in my life was definitely thanks to the practice of Tantra Yoga. Tantra Yoga, in other words, is a path of yoga that incorporates energy into the yoga practice itself. Unlike what we see today, that people usually refer to energy in a more superficial approach, the Tantrics of India and Tibet considered energy to be an extremely precise science. And that's exactly what Tantra Yoga does. By understanding how to identify the energy within you and in the universe around you, and learning the various techniques such as asanas, pranayamas, mudras, bandhas, and others, and understanding these techniques through the prism of energy, we have the possibility to integrate energy into our yoga practice and make it into a Tantra Yoga path. And that's a path which brings with it a lot of success, a lot of power, a lot of energy, and it's a path which is known to be a shortcut. One of the most amazing things about Tantra Yoga, which is so relevant to modern people, it's that it includes various techniques, methodologies, and practices, from physical practices to practices which are purely energetical, practices that use the mind, visualization, and many other levels. And by using these practices, actually a modern person, even though we may be plagued by having not much time, or being stressed, or too much pollution, or the various other problems that disturb modern people, actually Tantra Yoga brings incredible solutions. And that's why the ancient system of Tantra declares clearly that Tantra Yoga is the best path for the modern individual. The beautiful thing about Tantra Yoga is that it has within it so many different levels of accomplishment that actually would fit for whichever need the modern person will have. For example, if you're not interested in reaching enlightenment, which is totally legitimate, but you would like, for example, to open your heart more so you can love better, or maybe you would like to improve your intelligence, or maybe you'd like to gain more vitality, or whatever it is you feel you need in life. You want to get more healthy, for example. Whichever the needs are, Tantra Yoga gives techniques and practices that can give you exactly those results. I myself practiced different types of yoga in my career, and I can definitely say one thing, and that is the most powerful form of yoga that I've ever seen is indeed Tantra Yoga. It is a path of yoga which has in it such access to energy, such control over energy, such abilities to develop, to open up, to open your heart, to open your mind, that it is by far the most important, the most powerful form of yoga I've ever seen.